What's going on, family? It's your boy Feniks checking in with you this morning, man. Just wanted to talk to you for a second about a topic that came to me yesterday, actually. Talking to a cousin of mine about a business investment or a personal investment. And during the conversation, I was thinking how at times we tend to make investments that's good for self-image. If you get what I'm saying, we tend to do things where, okay, I look real nice driving down, and this down the road, I'll be able to catch attention from whoever you're trying to get attention from, your haters, women, people that said you couldn't do it, whatnot. And then you think about, well, damn, is this benefiting me, this investment I'm about to make? So I'm about to make an investment just so I can show off. So, he was thinking like, damn, man, you made a point. Or I was like, is this an investment where you got a steal on it, where you can actually get it, drive it a little bit, sell it, make a profit on it? If you're thinking like that, that's how I'm thinking. He was like, well, damn, I feel you. I said, so if it's not making you money, it's costing you money. You dig what I'm saying? So I think we have to, especially being independent and being entrepreneurs, being freelancers, we have to, when it comes to spending our money, we have to think like, is this for show or is this for promo? Think about it. Is this just for show? Is this just to show somebody, oh, look what I got? Or is this for promo? Is this going to help my business? Is this helping me grow? Is this helping getting my point across, my name out there to gain more business with people and to network with, with the community that I'm in? I'm like, man, how can I network with the community I'm in? And honestly, I was thinking about this and it hit me because I was thinking like, okay, now this is just, between me and you, between us, I always say, my internet people. I just paid off my Honda Ridgeline, and it's a '07 Ridgeline, and now that I paid it off, it need a few things to be upgraded. I didn't keep it maintained, but now some of the paint is starting to peel. So I was thinking about, okay, I'm gonna go get a paint job and throw a couple more accessories on it to get it like I want it when I'm traveling, and that way it could be more of use, from what I wanted versus me going and get something new. And then I was thinking like, okay, well, if I go get a paint job, what about getting it wrapped? Let me see how much getting it wrapped versus getting it painted with my information that I want to be on there, not to boast, but to promote. You know what I mean? To advertise, to kill what we would say in the South, two birds with one stone. How can I kill two birds with one stone? Be able to advertise and promote what I'm doing and still show, if that makes sense to you, because there's a way to do, if you want to look good, make money, and be able to, write off your investment, there's ways to do, all three of those. And I know you might look at someone like me, what I'm saying, with this long beard and gold teeth and, from Arkansas, what I'm saying, with a 420 shirt on, and you might say, man, what can this dude teach me? I'll tell you what I can teach you. I can teach you not how to live for show, but for promo. And instead of throwing away your money, invest in your money to make more money, because if if I heard you speaking right, you know, majority of the guys or the people that I'm talking to right now, they say, "Oh, I'm boss. I'm a boss." You know what I mean? I don't get tired. I got 6 jobs. You got 6 jobs and you still ain't got nothing. You know what I mean? Or you got to look. You got the nice car. You got this house, or you got this rent. You got this cost of living that's expensive. These clothing that you got to change all the time because you know you taking a lot of photos. So you like, man, I can't let everybody see me in the same thing. I got to switch it up. So some people spend a lot of money just to show you in something new all the time. So it's ridiculous, man. But I just wanted to say to my people that you should live for, you know, promo instead of show. But you can also get both out. You know what I'm saying? If you want a little show, ain't nothing wrong with looking good. Don't get me wrong. But promote yourself. Be able to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, where you can actually see the profit of spending your money, because it's hard to get. I mean, we all know that we in an economy now that, you know, they cutting down prices of labor, and then also, or cutting up, depends on where you at, cutting, you know, giving more of a price of labor, but they also charging higher for cost of living and cost of being in certain areas. And man, it's ridiculous, like what you spend and pay to just to be in a certain area, you know what I'm saying, or be in a controlled environment. So you just have to know that your money is important. You know what I mean? How you hustle, how you work, how you save, how you network. You know what I mean? So try to use your money wisely. And like I say, man, you want to be able to promote yourself so that way you can get a profit instead of just living for show and being in debt. So take that into consideration. Hold on.